Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will go over new visibility permissions that were added in version 1.15, which allow an admin to restrict agents from seeing help topics, departments, or other agents if they do not have access to their respective departments. Let's jump right into it. The new permissions can be found within an agent's account. From there, you will find them in the Permissions tab. Here, you can see permissions for the ability to see agents in all departments and the ability to see all departments. These are checked by default for agents. Note that these visibility changes only take place in the Agent panel. Let's take a look at the departments we have access to now and see what shows up in the Help Desk. Right now, we have access to all departments. There are only 2 agents in this help desk. As we can see here, we see tickets in all departments. In the agent directory, we can see both agents and their information. We can also see all of the canned responses. Now let's change up the permissions to hide some of this information. Let's also change up the department access to limit what this agent sees. In this example, we have removed this agent's access to the support department. Now let's go back to the ticket queue and see what is visible. Now we see significantly less tickets. Note that tickets in the support department will still show up if they are assigned to the agent, but that's the only way an agent can see the department. So for example, support will not show up in quick filters or transfers. In the agent directory, you'll notice that the agent in the support department no longer shows up either. You'll also notice that in the canned responses section, we no longer see the support canned response. The last thing we'll talk about in this video is how help topics appear as a result of these settings. Note that all public help topics will be shown throughout the help desk, regardless of the visibility permissions. Now let's set some of the topics to private and see how this is displayed. When we go back to the queue, we should still be able to see Report a Problem, but feedback should be hidden. That's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one. Check out the links in the description for all the latest osTicket news. As always, thanks for watching.